Alright everybody, I may now give you this CSX northbound in Marion, Ohio. It's my mom. How's it going? Let's get back to this. Welcome to Marion. Mr. Dad! NCIS! Good morning. See ya. We get. Alright. I come to Marion because we haven't been here in a while. And plus, I'm on spring break. Well, I go back on Monday, but yeah, I just want to come back here since I haven't been here in a while. I'll be looking at Columbus Parks and Recs this summer, and let's see. And also, let's see. Trying to think. And also, trying to think here. My favorite show ever is NCIS because it's got Gibbs, Mark Harmon in it. And yeah, it's the NCIS stands for Naval Criminal Investigation Service. Okay, bye, and that's all for now.